Okay, so today I'm gonna be doing something that I've wanted to do for months and months now, and I have not worked up the courage to, but I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna shave my face. This is a personal decision, and I'm deciding to do it because of makeup. I want my makeup to apply smoother and better on my skin, and I do have tiny little hairs that sit there that you actually can see in photos. I'll probably insert some here so you can look at that. It also helps remove the dead skin from your face and just makes your complexion better. I've weighed out the pros and cons. I know that I'm about to risk it to get the biscuit right now. It's a personal decision, so whether or not you think I should do it doesn't matter because I want to do it. I've done extensive research, and what I mean by research is watch a lot of YouTube videos on how to shave your face. I'm deciding what methods that I want to use personally. So I've actually cleansed my face. I cleansed my face and I dried it as well. And now they said that you should take like a toner and apply that to your face to remove some of the oils on it. Now, some individuals actually shave their face dry, and some of them use an oil on the face. And the reasoning behind the oil was to make the little razor blade kind of glide better. Since my skin is really sensitive and I'm prone to acne, I'm actually going to apply the oil on my face just so it kind of glides better and there's a little bit of moisture there rather than just going in dry. Okay, so now that I've applied the oil to my face, I'm actually gonna go ahead and get started. This tool looks like this. It has a guarded little razor blade on there for you to apply to your face. From what everyone is saying, you should not go at like a 90-degree angle to the face because you're probably gonna cut yourself. It's more of a 45-degree angle. You're always gonna be working down because when you work up, it's a little bit harder to control this guy right here. So we're gonna work down. I'm actually gonna start with my forehead and then I'm gonna do my cheeks and then around this area. This might be a little gross because you're probably gonna see my dead skin and hair coming off, but I mean, that's a part of the thing. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see this, but look at the hair on that. Ew. Gonna use it to clean up the brow area just a little bit. Oh my gosh. I've done my forehead. I'm gonna avoid going next to my hairline because I'm like have this really weird anxiety that like I have a horrible hairline, and I really just think I do have a horrible hairline. I'm not gonna go even close to it. A lot of people have said you need to hold your skin taut, so a little bit tighter. Literally see all the can you see this? It is literally my hair all everywhere. I mean, all right, I'm gonna take a cotton swab and kind of clean up what I've done so far. I mean, my skin feels great, feels really smooth. Wow, apparently you have hair even on your little chinny chin there. I'm gonna clean it up just a bit more on the edges. Wow. Wow, my skin feels great so far. I see redness occurring, so like I said, I do have a really sensitive skin. It's gonna turn red no matter what you do, but I'm not feeling any pain or irritation so far. It's just redness from being touched. My neck will turn red super easily too. So please don't mind my skin. Oh my gosh. Oh, the cheeks are crazy, man. Crazy. Holy mackerel. I cannot believe how much little fine hair you have on your face. That is ridiculous. Yes. Now, from what I've experienced so far, when you use one of these, you're gonna feel a little bit of tugging against the hair and it's gonna feel a little bit weird, but that's just because it's taking it off and it's kind of just tugging against it. If you apply a little more pressure, the tugging won't be as bad. And I don't really, like, I've got horrible pores, but I don't really think that my nose, like, I know that it does have hair on it, but I don't think that I'm gonna clean my nose just because it's kind of a tricky area and I kind of want to avoid any chances of me cutting myself. So I'm not gonna do that, but I might clean up a little bit more around my brow area. Whew, that's crazy. I don't like to go too in with my brows because I don't like plucking the crap out of them, but I will try to get the little fine hairs that actually mess with my eyeshadow. I'm kind of far from the mirror, so I'm gonna take a mirror and look kind of close and make sure that I got everything. Well, I think that I have officially removed all of the hair and dead skin that is on my face, which is such an amazing feeling. So far, my skin feels very, very smooth. I really love the feeling. It honestly looks a lot healthier right now, like maybe a little bit more glowy. Since you are taking the layer of dead skin off, it should brighten your face up a little bit, although I know it's probably a little bit red looking because it's irritated. I heard that you shouldn't apply makeup for 24 hours after you do this to your face just to kind of let it set. Otherwise, you'll probably break out. I'm not going to tell you to do this and recommend it yet because I don't know the after effects. A lot of the people said that your hair is not going to grow back thicker or darker, but I will be able to tell you that for myself. So if you want me to make another video or answer that question, just let me know and I will. I personally, again, chose to do this because I do a lot of makeup and I want to apply it nicely and I'm spending a lot of time with my face, so I want to take care of it in my way. I really wanted to give it a shot. Do your research. Don't like listen to me. Like go and watch a lot of YouTube videos and decide if it's the best decision for you because it is a commitment. You're gonna have to do this because the hair will grow back and you'll want to get rid of it again. Keep that in mind, but I think that there's a lot of stuff on your face you don't even know is there. Once you get it off, it feels absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, if you want like an update about this, let me know and I'll make another video, maybe doing it again or letting you know if anything bad happened. Leave a comment if you have any questions and I'll see you on my channel next time, hopefully. Bye.